Yan, change outfit tayo. Anyway, laki kasi ng mukha ko. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. And here's another song na gusto ko din kantahin. Okay? So, I chose to, do it or sing it na raw without any gadget or something, just the karaoke na dito sa my YouTube. Yan. Ang next na kakantahin ko, dedicated to all my friends, is yung, ano ba? Ngayon pala ako pipili. Lagi ko din kinakanta actually ito sa aking sa aking mga live. Okay. Siguro yung na lang. So, Only Love muna tayo. Only Love muna. Meron akong isang naisip na kanta, kaya lang nakalimutan ko yung title. Yan. So, let's sing it.
Okay. Say your appreciation.
Alright. Anyway.
Nescafe Gold. This is the one for me. This is the only.
May yeah. Okay, here it is. Only Love by actually this is by Phil Collins, if I'm not mistaken.
2 a.m. and the rain is falling. Here we are at the crossroads once again. You're telling me you're so confused, you can't make up your mind. Is this meant to be? You're asking me, but only love can say. Try again or walk away. But I believe for you and me, the sun will shine one day. So I'll just play my part and pray you'll have a change of heart. But I can't make you see it through. There's something only love can do.
Again, I'm not a very good singer.
Her arms as the dawn is breaking, face to face and 1,000 miles apart. I've tried my best to make you see there's hope beyond the pain if we give enough. If we learn to trust, but only love can save. Try again or walk away. But I believe for you and me, the sun will shine one day. So I'll just play my part and pray you'll have a change of heart. Can make you see it through. That's something only love can do.
Again, I'm not a professional singer. I just love singing. Kaya sorry sa mga off.
Oh, I could find the ways to touch you deep inside. You'd give a dream to let this be our last goodbye. But only love can say. Try again or walk away. But I believe for you and me. The sun will shine one day, so I'll just play my part and pray you'll have a change of heart, and that I can make you see it through. That's something only love can do. Thing only love can do.
Yan. Sorry if di ko siya na-hit. Kasi hindi nga ako professional singer. Okay, I just sing. That's it. Thank you. And thank you for singing with me. And sa mga may gusto sa kantang to, wala lang. Kung gusto nyo, kantahin nyo rin. Just kidding. Okay. Ayan. So, siguro, try kong ganito. Kung may mga request po kayo, you can drop a comment. Let me know kung ano po yung song na gusto nyo. And then, I'll try my very best to sing it for you guys. Yan. So, that's the title of the song, Only Love. Thank you so much, and till my next.